Hello all, my name is Mahesh Kumar Vaka. I am working as a senior software engineer in Evoke Technologies, Hyderabad. In this video, I am going to tell you about how to start with Java. In the previous video, I have covered about why Java is important and why it is so popular and why it has to be considered as a career option. So here, to start with Java, we will start with JDK installation. When I am saying JDK, it means Java Development Kit. Means for us to start and develop and write some programs and run it, we need something. That something is JDK. So here I am saying Oracle JDK. You may be having a doubt that do we have any other JDKs? Yeah, we have. We have something called as OpenJDK and some other third-party JDKs. But here, since Oracle is something that's owning Java, I am going to prefer Oracle JDK download. And also here I'm downloading the JDK 11 version, which means the Java 11. I know that Java 8 is much wide in use, but I prefer to use Java 11 so that we'll be accustomed with the Java 11 related features as well. So here for us as a first step, I'll go to this link and have the download started. So here I have opened the link. This is the official page of the Oracle where we can download the needful software for the JDK installation. Here, since I'm using Windows operating system, I am preferring to download this exe file. We have zip files as well. We have based on the operating systems, we have different files. But I am working on Windows operating system. That's why I'm preferring this one to download. You can use others if you are on different operating system. Okay. So here in this, I'm downloading the JDK 11.0.14 and I have already downloaded this. Uh, Here we have that downloaded exe file. So I'll tell further about how do we go ahead and install this JDK. So for this, I'm using a different approach. I'm just making sure that I do not do any major work in having this installation. I'm terming it as silent installation. So in this, what we just give is a command and it does the needful things in the background. So here, just go to the path where your downloaded JDK file is available and have the command prompt open there. So here I have the JDK exe file in my downloads and that's why I opened the command prompt here. So after this, I can just give the JDK file name, the full file name along with .exe and just I can give /s. And if I hit enter, it will give me a pop-up so that I can go ahead and proceed for the installation. If I click on it, it is doing something in the background. So what will happen is we will have a Java folder created in our C program files. So here you can see the timestamp as well. This is just created and I have not done anything manual. It just happened in the background. So that's something good with silent installation. So here, if I go to the Java, I can see the JDK 11.0.14, which is something I downloaded here. So it's good with the installation, but there is something else that is very important in making sure our Java programs are are executed, or we can just have a setup with respect to the Java home and path variables. It's very important. I will tell you why it's important, but let's go ahead and set these variables right now. So here for setting these variables, we have to go to the start and I can just hit environment variables because I am on Windows 10 version. If you are using something Windows 7 or 8 or something else, you have to go to the control panel and get till here. So here you see the environment variables. If you click on it, you can go to the system variables here and we will first give a variable called Java underscore home. If you just scroll down here, we don't see any Java underscore home. So we will straight away hit a new button and just give the variable name as Java underscore home. And then I will give the path where this Java folder is there. So I will paste it here and then save it. I can see the Java underscore home folder here. So I may be under the assumption that I have set everything. I have used java underscore home as the variable name because I have downloaded and installed the JDK. Sometimes people just download and install the JRE. So in that case, they will be putting JRE underscore home like that. But for now, we will go ahead with java underscore home. It is also important to set the path variable here. You'll have a path variable. In that, we have to set up a path variable here. Since we already have the java home variable already set, we will give the path variable like this, wherein it is pointing to the bin folder within the JDK. I'll show you that in a while. So for now, just give the java underscore home slash bin just the way as I did. And then hit OK, and then again hit OK, and then hit again OK. Now, with this set, we can just go to the command prompt, and if you give the command java-version, so here we are still not able to see that Java is not recognized. This happened because I did not close this command prompt. I will close this command prompt and see if I am getting the Java version or not. This is just to make sure that our Java installation is complete and we are very good to set up. Yeah, here we see Java version 11.0.14, and this is showing up just because we have set the java underscore home and path variables just the way we did a moment ago. So with this said, we have completed the JDK installation part. So when I'm saying JDK, I have previously told that it means Java Development Kit, right? Java Development Kit. So when I'm saying kit, it has something else within it. This kit is going to have a lot of things that is supporting the Java development and execution. So there are two major things within JDK. I can just show you through this diagram. So you can consider these three boxes as something the whole JDK is. And the top layer is the JDK. This JDK is internally having JRE, which they call as Java Runtime Environment. This runtime environment enables Java to run its programs. And we have another component called JVM. This is nothing but Java Virtual Machine. When I'm saying virtual, it does not exist physically. The remaining things exist physically, but this JVM is something virtual. It does not physically exist. It is just an instance of the runtime environment. I will tell about these things more in detail in the next video, and also we will write a sample program. For that, we just need a notepad. A notepad is enough. If you have an IDE already installed, it is much more better. But for the sample program, we will just go ahead with the notepad file. We will discuss more in detail about this concept, JDK versus JRE versus JVM, and a sample program. So consider liking and subscribing this channel if you have learned something out of it. Thanks for your time.